Okay, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Tuesday verb. So act. Act. To behave or do things in a certain way. To behave in a certain way. To be in a certain way. Yeah. I will act calmly. She will act nice. She will be nice. She will act nice. I will act. I will act as I always do. Myself. I will act the way I am. Thank you very much. Yeah. I think she'll act weird. She'll act weird. His acts were unique. The way he behaved was unique. The way he behaved was unique. He acted different compared to everyone else. The way he acted was different, unlike everyone else. Yeah. So that means we could say I act, you act, they act, it acts. It acts strange. It is acting strange. It acts weird. It acts weird when I touch it. It acts weird when I touch it. It acts weird when I touch it. Ooh, strange. So he acts. He acts and she acts. He acts funny. He acts funny with the students, for example. With the students. How cool is that? She acts calm, nice, kind, relaxed. She acts relaxed when at home. Maybe when at home she is relaxed. She acts relaxed. She acts comfortably. Relaxed. Yeah, comfortably. Acts differently. She acts differently when at home. Yeah, that works, definitely. She acts differently. Can't explain it. Yeah. So then, they acted as they normally do. They acted the same way as always. They acted the same way as always. Yeah. He is acting strange. Yeah, why does he always want to act strange with his friends? Why? They all act strange together. Makes sense. How cool is that? I think they will act funny as they normally do. Yeah. They always act like that. Don't worry. Yeah, the way they behave or to do things, a strange way, different way, relaxed way, or touch. It acts weird when I touch it. When I touch it, it acts weird. Yeah. So act. How cool is that, language explorers? I act, you act, they act, he acts, it acts, he acts, she acts. Yeah. So, can you use acts in a sentence? Can you write that sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos and lessons to come. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.